Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's session, we are going to see how to traverse a doubly linked list from last or end. So we already seen how to traverse a linked list from the first element, or we can say the start of our linked list. So this is full code for creating doubly linked list and traversing a doubly linked list from start as well as from the end. So if you have not watched my previous video regarding creating and traversing doubly linked list, link is given in description box. So now here our focus will be we want to display a data from last to the first node of a doubly linked list. So we know that in case of doubly linked list, we have the two pointer, that is nothing but the next and previous pointer. So in that scenario, it is possible for us to traverse a linked list in both direction. So now here we are assuming that we have the element like 1, 2 and 3. So here 1 previous is null, then 1 next is 2, 2 next is 3 and 3 previous is 2 and 2 previous is 1. Now I want to traverse this linked list and I want to print a data of this linked list. So I'm expecting output as 3, 2 and 1. So here while creating linked list I am maintaining the last of the linked list. So it is easy to hold the last in a temporary pointer, and we can use this temporary pointer to traverse this linked list. So first we are going to check whether your temp is null or not. So if temp is null, in that case we will print our linked list is empty. If temp is not null, that means your linked list is already holding some data. In that case your else part will be executed. So here with the help of while loop we are going to traverse our linked list. So now you can check your temp is already holding this last of your linked list. That means it is pointing to a third node. So now when we go for printing a temp data, it will print the value as a 3. After that, it is statement is given temp is equal to temp previous. That means now your temp is pointing to a node 2. Again, while loop will check temp is not none. So in that case, we are going to print data. So 2 data will be printed. After that, again temp is incremented with temp previous. That means now your temp is pointing to 1. So again, we will print data, that is nothing but 1 will be printed as an output, and we are updating the temp to the temp previous. Now temp become null. So in that case you will come out of the while loop. So here you can find out that you have the output like 3, 2, 1. So with the help of previous pointer, it is possible for us to traverse the linked list from the last to the first node. Now we will just execute the code and check the output. So first we will create a linked list with node 11, 22, 33, 44. After that I will stop adding a node into a double linked list. I will go for first option, display from first. So it will display like 11, 22, 33 and 44. After that I will choose option display from last node, that is third option. So it is 44, 33, 22 and 11. Hope so you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.